Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss about top 5 trading platform in USA. Top 5 trading platform in USA are 1. Robinhood. Known for its user-friendly interface and commission-free trading, Robinhood offers a wide range of investment options, including stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. 2. TD Ameritrade. With its powerful Think or Swim platform, TD Ameritrade provides advanced trading tools and a vast array of educational resources, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced traders. 3. Intraday. A-Trade offers a well-rounded trading experience with a variety of investment options, including stocks, ETFs, and options, along with research and educational resources. 4. Webull. Webull caters to active traders, offering commission-free trading of stocks, options, and cryptocurrencies. It provides real-time market data and technical analysis tools. 5. Fidelity. Fidelity is a trusted brokerage platform with a wide range of investment products. Its mobile app offers trading, research, and retirement planning tools, making it a well-rounded choice for investors. Remember that the best stock trading app for you may depend on your specific needs, so it's essential to consider factors like fees, research tools, and available assets when choosing the right app for your trading goals. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.